In this video, we're going to go over the top 5 reasons to move to Jones, Oklahoma. So, if you're moving to Oklahoma City metro area, sit back, relax, and learn about Jones, Oklahoma, and everything that rural Oklahoma small town has to offer. Hey guys, my name is Josh Barnett with Better Homes Guard Real Estate Paramount. I do these videos to help out customers moving to the Oklahoma City metro area. The group of agents that I work with and I are here to earn your business and look forward to helping you purchase your new home. So please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends that are also relocating to the Oklahoma City metro area, and give us a call, shoot us a text, or shoot us an email, and we'll be able to help you find your new home. Now, let's get into today's video, top 5 reasons to move to Jones, Oklahoma. Reason number 5 to move to Jones, Oklahoma is it's a small town. Population of only 3,137 people, according to Google for 2018. That definitely makes it a small town. Jones, Oklahoma is such a small town that it also qualifies for the USDA Rural Home Loan based off of the location map that you can find at the USDA's website. Of course, for any loan, there are tons of terms and conditions that apply and qualifications that must be met. If you're looking for a zero down rural home loan, definitely want to look into Jones, Oklahoma. Give me a call and I'll get you in touch with a couple great lenders that do USDA rural home loans. Reason number 4 to move to Jones, Oklahoma is location, location, and location. The Eastern Oklahoma Turnpike Loop was just built near Jones, Oklahoma, just 5 miles to the east. That gives you quick, easy access to the I-44 Turnpike going to Tulsa, and also the I-40 and the 240. No, just I-40. Just I-40 going to Oklahoma City or Shawnee. Now, Jones, Oklahoma is located only 29 minutes from OKC. That's driving minutes, 29 driving minutes from OKC, 27 driving minutes from Edmond, and 27 driving minutes to Tinker Air Force Base. So, also, I believe if you're in the medical profession, you can only be within 30 driving minutes from your hospital. You definitely want to check out Jones, Oklahoma, because that might be the perfect distance for you. Reason number 3 on moving to Jones, Oklahoma is the city park. You guys know me. You guys know that my wife and I love taking the kiddos to the park, and Jones's city park is a pretty nice little park. It has a half-mile walkway surrounding the little lake area there. It has tons of covered picnic tables. It also has plenty of parking, a full-size basketball court. It has 2 toys, playset toys that the kids can play on. It has swings and also has 2 little toys, like those little rocker toys that you set the kid on and on the springs and they rock back and forth. It has those also. So if you're into parks, you're into fitness, you're into basketball, you're into taking your kids to the park, reason number 3 for Jones, Oklahoma on the 5 reasons to move to Jones, Oklahoma is the parks. Reason number 2 to move to Jones, Oklahoma is the food. You've got 3 main restaurants there in Jones, Oklahoma. There's, oh no, I'm gonna mess this up. Jer's Mexican Kitchen, the Rooster Cafe, and Chef's Main Street Grill. I hope I didn't butcher those names. When it comes to eating out in the evening, you don't have to drive all the way to the city. Jones, Oklahoma has 3 great restaurants to choose from. Whether you want Mexican or hometown cooking, they're available on those 3 restaurants. And then also you have, well, previously Oklahoma's own Sonic Drive-In. They were bought out by Arby's in 2017, but there's also a Sonic Drive-In in Jones, Oklahoma. So plenty of places to eat if you don't feel like driving all the way to the city. All right, are you guys ready for it? Reason number 1 to move to Jones, Oklahoma. I'm going to consider the schools. The schools are the number 1 reason to move to Jones, Oklahoma if you've got kids in school. And my main reason for that is the student to teacher ratio based off of looking at the staff members on Jones High School website. There are 30 teachers. They're in the Jones High School, and the average class size for Jones is only 384 students. 384 students, in the high school. So that gives you a less than 12-to-1 ratio when it comes to student to teachers, and I think that's great. Kids nowadays need lots of one-on-one time to help them concentrate and get the schoolwork done and study for them good old standardized tests, because those really help out students. But Jones, Oklahoma schools, they have they have athletics for students ranging from football, boys and girls basketball, softball, baseball, and then also cross country. So those are some great athletic things that students could do. And then also, if the children aren't into athletics, there's plenty of other things that Jones High School offers, such as arts club, band, choir, drama, an academic team, FCA, FFA, the Key Club, the STEM/robotics club. All sorts of activities for your high school age child to partake in when moving to Jones, Oklahoma. Well, those top 5 reasons to move to Jones, Oklahoma were great, I feel. I hope they helped you in getting to know Jones a little bit better. Now, don't always take my word for it. As Laverne says, not Laverne, what's that guy's name on Reading Rainbow? LeVar. As LeVar says, be sure to get some more people's word for it that live in the town of Jones. And then magically, we go and interview some people, but we don't. When you stop by Jones or when we're looking at houses in there, we can stop and talk to the locals. Do your own research, folks. That's the key. Now, my name's Josh Bardette with Better Homes Guard Real Estate Paramount. I do these videos to help out customers moving to the Oklahoma City metro area. The group of agents that I work with and I are here to earn your business and look forward to helping you purchase your new home. So please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends that are also relocating to the Oklahoma City metro area, and give us a call, shoot us a text, or shoot us an email, and we'll be able to help you find your new home. Now, enjoy the B-roll.